Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a React.js package which can be used to uh, rearrange the items like this. You can directly change the order of the items, and you can basically move the items in the UI like this. So there is a specific package in React.js which allows these capabilities. It's a very powerful package. You can see we can change the order of items. If you have a list of items which are displayed in this fashion, and you can add these capabilities so that the user can arrange the order of the items by directly interacting them. The actual package name is movable. You can directly move the items by clicking on them. So if you just go to npmjs.com and just search for this package, React Movable. So this is actually the package. So it's a drag and drop movable list. If you have a list of data that you want to display and rearrange the order. So this is actually the package. I've already installed it, and it's almost having 55,000 weekly downloads. It's a pretty popular package. They have given a simple example. I will show you how to get started. So just make a simple functional component, and the very first thing we need to do, we need to include the package which will be list and array move. So these two methods we need to import from this package, which is React Movable. As you can see, 12 kilobytes package, and it contains these two components, the list of data that you want to display and the array move function. And now to display the data, first of all we need to have an array of items that we not want to display. So for this we will have an items array. So you can use it from database or API. I will just use it use state array. So item 1, this will be item 2. So this can be any list of data that you want to display. So we have the 6 items, array of items which we want to display, and now in the JSX you simply type the component name, which is list, and it actually takes some properties. The first property it takes is the values property, and here you need to simply attach the items which we have directly. So we are attaching it. So if you refresh now, you will actually see we do need to actually also bind a render function as well. So render list. So when the list is rendered, this function will execute, and here you need to specify it takes children and props as two arguments, this function, and here you need to specify in how you want to display. So we have a simple unordered list where we'll be displaying these elements. So we have the props, and inside this we will display inside curly bracket the children. So if you refresh now, and also you also need to specify the render item function as well. So this render list function executes a render item function as well. For each item, this function will execute render item. Once again, it will have the value, actual value, and the props. And right here, we display it inside the list item. Same, we will do this. This is just a little bit of configuration that you want to do. And here you need to specify the children. Sorry, this is actually the value, not children. So now you will see, now it has added the capability. Now you can actually reorder it, you can move it, and you will see the ordering process hangs right here because we haven't defined the on change function. Because when we change the order, this on change function will execute, so we do need to define this function as well. So when we change the order of items, we have this old index, and now there is a new index. So here we just need to call the set items function, which is actually our hook function, and we need to set the items, and we have this function of array move. So old index, just move it to the new index. So when the position of the items change, this function is very handy, which comes from this module to actually rearrange the positioning, changing the old index with the new index. So now you can change the order here very easily by moving the items right like this. You can have as many items as you want to display, and this library will work perfectly. And you can see this is just a little bit of configuration that you want to do, and here you will replace your own items that you want to display, which can come from database or API. So you can add a full-fledged functionality of drag and drop, and directly the user can move the items in the list and change their order. So this was the example. I have given the source code in the description. You can check out the source code and get started with this module. And thank you very much guys for watching this video, and if you like this video, please hit that like button, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.